Hi everyone, I am Nature Guy X46 and this is the Natureverse 4.7. Today we are journeying back to the New World to explore not just the forest floor, but also looking into the trees and shrubs of the forest. We're going to be looking at the leaf-cutter ants, but first we're going to take a break in the action. Time for a quick pause in the action. Just a quick reminder for you to subscribe if you haven't, click the like button, leave me a comment, and share the video with someone in your family or your friend group. And now, back to your regular video. When I say leafcutter ants, I am actually describing at least 47 different species of ants. The leafcutter ants have jaws that are adapted to cut a leaf up and return it to the nest. An ant can carry pieces of leaves that are 50 times their own weight. The purpose of these leaves is not for food, but for the fungus gardens that they raise. The ants then feed on the fungus. Their colony is made up of different castes. Castes like soldiers, workers, the queen, and a group that does the cleanup. One of the special castes is the minim. The minims ride the leaves where they clean the leaf, as well as protecting the leaf from parasitic flies and wasps. The minima ants have a special task of chewing up leaves and then shaping them into pellets. They will then insert that pellet into the garden. It is also their job to keep the fungus garden healthy. Leafcutter ant colonies can house 10 million ants. And when it comes to setting up a new colony, the colony needs the winged ants. The winged ants are males and females. The future queen will mate with several males. Only 2.5% of possible queens will succeed in setting up a new colony. Some of their chambers can be as large as a foot in diameter. The colonies can be as large as 320 to 6,460 square feet. The nest can be 50 feet across and 16 feet deep. These ants live in Central and South America, Mexico, and even parts of the southern United States. In the entire colony of 10 million ants, there is only one that produces eggs for the colony. There is only a certain number of ants who will fly out of the nest in order to start a new colony. The males die. Upon mating, she will return to the ground and then go about digging a nest. She will dig out a part of the nest and then begin laying eggs, who will be females and will also be sterile. Now, what does the queen eat in the early stages of the nest? She is not feeding on fungi like the other ants. She is eating her own eggs. As much as 91% of those first eggs will go to keep her alive. It will take 45 to 50 days for her eggs to hatch. And those first larvae are also fed eggs until they are adults, at which point they will go out, get leaves, and the process of fungi nesting begins. It is also at that point that the queen will then intensify her egg laying. Worker ants are also known to lay eggs, which are then fed to developing are then fed to developing larvae. Time for me to say, see you in the next one. Goodbye.